first of all, like our hinotori surgical robot system are now focused on laparoscopic surgery, specialty urology, gynecology, general surgery, and thoracic as well. So what is the main benefit? You can see a very clear operation unit area, like a patient side. That means much easier to work together with assistant surgeon. Assistant surgeon sometimes need to use stapler or like other device. And you can see robot system hinotori as your colleague to work together. So I can say not only from performed by surgeon cockpit like a main surgeon, but also for assistant, entire teamwork we can provide. We can provide entire surgery unit system. Customer side always really want to achieve like a painless and the hospital short stay for patient side. And also this surgeon, healthcare professional need to eliminate their burden, like their physical like pain. That means we can realize both things. Like such a kind of ergonomics surgeon cockpit can eliminate their physical burden and the physical stress and mental stress as well. For patient side, we can provide a short hospital stay and less pain killer usage after the surgery. That means we can offer both patient benefit and benefit for surgeon. I can say we did a remote surgery test with a pulsar model connecting Japan and Strasbourg, France.
Okay.
So that means we can say this distance 23,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
So we are oversee Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, two oceans to exceed. I can say 23,000 kilometers is almost half of Earth. Latency like a little bit like a bigger one, but important thing is that like latency are always stable. Like if latency like change like 100, 200, 100, it's so surgeon very difficult to perform surgery. But we are like communicating with, we are working with NTT Communication Japanese like company. They provide a very stable line. That means like we are so stable communication line. And we realize a very good remote surgery test, very stable test. We are like always consider to have one utilize remote surgery for contribute to imbalance, regional imbalance. Some like city hospital had like a really equipped like a device as well, and the surgeon as well, very skilled surgeon there. But on the other hand, countryside don't have a skilled surgeon. Such kind of like a regional imbalance, we can provide remote surgery. But for myself, like really consider much more than this regional imbalance. We are considering to utilize this remote surgery system for education. Like a kind of remote proctoring is so important. I really recognize during this France and Japan connecting time, so surgeon perform like a Brazilian surgeon that time in Strasbourg. He showed like how to proceed. Then Japan side really immediately recognize. Then they can follow this style. That means so he always said, I can do, I can show you. Then like they can follow. Such a kind of remote proctoring is so important, so faster to educate future surgeon. At this moment, surgical robot is focused on like a kind of like a master-slave control system. But I am considering to have one in the future. This is like a more autonomous activity a lot. That means there are many AI technology in this world now. But like mainly they are focused on kind of tissue identification. But like really consider like a robot also need to do like autonomous movement, like kind of auto suture possibility or like a kind of like a dissecting many things. Sure, this is like there are many limitations, many like infrastructure are really necessary, regulation as well. But on the other hand, we had like a kind of tissue identification technology, and Kawasaki also had AI technology for robot algorithm. If we combine this one, if so, we can realize real autonomous surgery in the future.
Okay, okay. So it's bringing the AI capabilities to the edge and incorporating these capabilities to
Yes, like a kind of a hybrid, like not entire thing, but
okay.
kind of some of like a task, like a kind of suturing or
Okay.
some like a specific task. I think kind of like a robot can take over things. I have always considered how to contribute like a medical innovation, and I really want to save the people's life and how we contribute people. If so, this medical device is really excellent like opportunity things. We had like a really great technology, not only hinotori but also so like Kawasaki has a great technology. Why not to contribute? That's like my point. So we had a technology, but why not to utilize to contribute to people's life? So this is like a kind of my authentic, fundamental passion. So I can say QNX offer much more flexibility to implement many things. This is like a really biggest point. We are considering to have one like a former time industrial robot use different operation system, but there are many let's say limitation to implement other things. But QNX is really offer like a much more wider range of like flexibility. This is like a really biggest opportunity we are considering.